Yeah, welcome back. In the last chapter, I showed you some web design layouts designed with Adobe Dreamweaver. Like this. This is another layout that was designed with Adobe Dreamweaver. This is another one. I'm just trying to show you things that will inspire you to becoming a great webmaster. This was also designed with Adobe Dreamweaver. Now, today in this chapter, however, I'm going to take it further by teaching you the first step to designing a website. This is known as site definition. Remember the last time I told you all the things you need to have to fully learn this software. So I believe by now you must have installed the software on your computer. If you don't know how to install this software, you can get someone to install it for you. It's as simple as that. I also told you of the 5 steps to designing a professional website. Now, let's go back to our site definition. Like I said, we are treating site definition. This is where you define the project you want to work on. The moment you define a site, it automatically creates a folder on your computer, and anything you do on the website will be saved into that folder, which makes it simple for you to edit your website anytime you want to add or delete information. These folders you are seeing right now were created because I defined my site before designing the website. Like this is a folder that contains web files. This folder was created because I defined my site. So all my files, all the images, all the web files are located in that folder. So it makes it easy for me to come and edit, add or delete information on my website. Now, let's go to site definition. First thing you need to do is to launch your Dreamweaver application. Locate it on your computer and launch it. Okay, now that's come up. First thing you need to do is to create a new HTML file because we are creating a new HTML file. Web files are HTML files. Like we said, I told you earlier that we are not going to be doing any programming whatsoever. We are just going to be designing basically. So click on new HTML. Now, this is what comes up to you. Don't be afraid when you see all this, the file menu, the menu bar, the property bar, and all that. Don't be afraid. Like I told you, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to train you on how to become a perfect webmaster. As you can see, we have three different areas. Three different areas. View, if you want to design a website. This is the code view for those that want to use code to design their website. Like I said, we are not using any code to design this website. We are using design view. So this is where we are going to make use of. This is what we are making use of right now. So like I said, the first thing is site definition. To define your site, you launch your Dreamweaver, which we have done right now. You click on create new HTML, which we have done right now. And from the menu bar above here, you click on sites. From the drop down, click on new site. Then you name your site. Before you come to this, you must have gotten a name for your website. Like I'm going to work on Home Affairs. I'm working on an interior design website known as Home Affairs. So I'm naming my site as Home Affairs. This is because if I'm going to if I'm going to get my domain name, I'm going to name it homeaffairs.net or homeaffairs.com. So like now, this is a site in Micromedia Dreamweaver is a collection of files and folders that correspond to a website on a server. What would you like to name your site? Home Affairs. You can give yours your own name. Maybe you are working on a fashion website I'm working on an interior design website, so I'm giving it home address. Now, what is the HTTP address of your website? Because I have not registered the domain and I'm not ready to to put it on the internet right now. I would rather leave this place blank. So you click on next. Do you want to work with a server technology such as CodeFusion, ASP.NET? We are not working with any server technology right now. We are not online. We are not using any server. We are just doing all these things offline. So you click on no, I do not want to use a server technology. And you click on next. How do you want to work with your files during development? Option 1, edit local copies on my machine, then upload to server when ready. This is recommended, and this is what we are doing right now. We are not using any local network. We are not using any server network. We are working on our machine. So this is peculiar to us. Now, you say, where on your computer do you want to store your file? Now, it has given you a root, users, Campbell Inca, document file. This is going to be saved. It's going to create a folder in my document file. And this document is located on my computer. Now, if I click on next, how do you connect to your remote server? Because like I said earlier, we are not connected to any network. We are not connected to any local network or any server or any FTP or anything. So you click on none and you click on next, and you find out that your site has already been defined. You can locate my folder, my site in my documents folder. So let's check my documents folder if I'm going to see my site in it. Let's do that right now. So you click on done. Now let's check my document folder. Yeah, this is my document folder. The name of my website is Home Affairs. This is it. It is located in my documents folder. I can find it. And let's open it. You see, it is empty because we have not designed anything. We have only succeeded in defining our site. And all our web files, all our images that we'll be creating from here right now will be saved automatically inside this folder that is located in my document. So I believe you have done yours. So stick with me for the next chapter of this tutorial where we are going to design our first page, our first web page. So tag along with me and see you in the next class. Thank you.